What's going on, my 11 subscribers and my 2 that actually watch? Right now I'm in Montana. For anyone new watching this video, I live in my car, and I've figured things out over the last couple months. I'm kind of a guru now. Not really a guru, but I know how to survive. So got this Coleman grill. It's actually wearing out on me. I think I need to clean the pipes out or something on it because the gas is coming out super slow. But got potatoes cooking here. Just cooked some steak in this cast iron. Got lentils beneath that. Come check out my house. It's my home. Trying to watch Pirates of the Caribbean at night. Also, for those of you that don't know, I buy and sell books, CDs, DVDs, basically anything that sells on Amazon. I ship it out to the Amazon factory in boxes that weigh 50 pounds. And then once they're in the Amazon factory, Amazon handles everything. It's called Fulfilled by Amazon, FBA. Someone commented, I forgot your name, sorry dude, Ambassador or something like that. I know I screwed it up, but I'm working on that video. I'm gonna show you all the tools I use and everything. I'll also add links to the guys that I follow. Reezy resells, he's a guru. He knows, like, you gotta follow these guys. Like me, I'm just out here just roughing it. My process is unique though, because I do things differently because I live in my car, so I have 800 books in my inventory. I can't have 800 in my car. It's just not gonna work. So they're in the Amazon factory, and I ship them out every couple days. So you can see right now I got boxes in here. Check this out. So another thing, what I put on the walls, this is Reflectix, and I put some wallpaper on it. Let's see, the lighting's super crappy in here. Got this little, I've never used this until I started making videos, but actually came in super clutch. But this book was profitable on Amazon, the Road Atlas, and I had 2 of them, so there's no point in me having 2 of them. But I couldn't sell it, so I used it as wallpaper. I couldn't sell it because it was in terrible condition. Had like coffee stains on it and stuff. But yeah, what was the point of this video? The point of this video is just to let you guys know I'm still alive, and that video is coming soon. It's taking me a little bit longer because I'm having to like play around with, like, you know, recording my screen via Loom, which is a Chrome extension, and all this other extra crap that I've never done before. So I'm learning, and I promise it's coming. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see more of. You know, I'm just showing you guys my lifestyle right now. I mean, basically just looking at fun whenever I'm not scanning books and focusing on the business. So yeah, headed to Minnesota, currently in Montana. Peace out, guys.